Hello and welcome back to another episode of the DIYguy.net. Alright, today we got a 2007 Subaru Outback. We're going to show you how to replace the rear cup holder here in the center console. This is going to work from 2005 to 2009. So we'll go ahead and climb in the back and go ahead and set up the camera and start removing the broken one. Alright, so we're at the back of the center console, and as you can see, the majority of this cup holder is missing. We have a tab here, and we don't have one over here. It broke off, so they probably discarded the flip down piece that actually holds the cup or beverage. But we do need to get this part out here with the stoppers on it. This plastic little trim piece that clips in, that is what holds the cup holder in. So we need to undo this clip here, 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 and here, and then there's a slot in the center here where we can get a screwdriver in. There's no clips up top, but there are two little tabs that kind of grab it too, so we'll do that part last and then be able to remove it. We're not worried about breaking this piece as it's part of the old cup holder and it's going to get thrown out anyway, so you can be a little aggressive with those tabs. You just want to break the actual console part, but we just need to pry up on those and we can get it removed. Alright, so we got that piece removed. I'll just show you. So there's the tab. We just stuck the screwdriver in this little crack here, pulled it up, and that crack there. Got those two bottom ones out, one right there, one under my thumb, and then this is the center where I got that screwdriver to pop the top out. Alright, so we got our new one here. It is a Dorman. It's a 926-439 for the part number. Now this is going to be the black colored one, as we have the black trim in this car. Either way, we'll have the link to them in the description of the video and also on the write-up on the website. Alright, so before we go ahead and reinstall the new one, we're just going to wipe it out, just because we got the cup holder out. Clean that area up a little bit. Alright, so we unpackaged the new cup holder. You will notice that these tabs stick out when the cup holder is closed. So we need to install it with the cup holder open so that it is smooth side and we go ahead and actually fit it in there. With the cup holder up in closed position, it will not fit in the center console. So I'll probably move this light out of the way and then we'll go ahead and clip it in. So like I said, we want the cup holder open. Go ahead and line it up. Get the top part in. Just work our way around, clipping all the sides in. Making sure it's clipped in. We'll go ahead and test it, make sure it works. Make sure all the clips are in, which they are. Alright, so with the cup holder functioning as it should, not binding going up or down, we have all those clips securing it into the center console. So that's it. We just shown you how to replace the rear seat center console cup holder in a 2005 to 2009 Subaru Outback. Don't forget to click the link in the description, which will take you to our website for a full write-up. You can also click that subscribe button you placed in the middle for you. On the right, you'll find a recommended video just for you. And on the left side, you'll see our recent upload. Thanks for watching another episode of the DIYguy.net.